Have you ever dreamed of a night in one of the most expensive hotels in the world, but you have any clue what the cost of that might be? While there are certainly more expensive destinations to stay, such as private islands and palaces. Number 10. The Plaza, New York, $40,000 per night. The Plaza's Royal Suite is one of the most affordable on the list, with a price tag of $40,000. This may be your best deal to enjoy a night living like the rich and famous. The huge suite is decked out with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a lounge, a separate dining room and a fitness room. The awesome view of Fifth Avenue and 24 hours butler service will you have you wanting to stay forever. Number 9. The Hilltop Villa, Fiji, $45,000 per night. Talking about underwater hotels, what about Iceland hotels? For $45,000 per night, the Hilltop Villa is located on Liukala Island in Fiji and will have you feeling like you are on your very own island with a 4-acre villa with 3 separate suites for you to enjoy. Think private pools, peace and quiet and complete relaxation. Number 8. The Muraka Suite, Maldives, $50,000 per night. The Maldives is another popular location for the rich and famous, so it's no wonder it houses is one of the most expensive hotels in the world. The Muraka comes with a twist. It is an underwater hotel. The building is 2 stories tall, with the bottom story being roughly 16 feet below the Indian Ocean. Not only do you get to submerge in the underwater, but you can also expect the riches of a private chef, bar, gym, butler. Number 7. Grand Hyatt Cannes, Hotel Martins, France, $53,000 per night. What list of the most expensive hotels would be complete without one from Cannes? The Grand Hyatt Cannes Hotel Martins will set you back $53,000 a night and will give you stunning ocean view, a private jacuzzi and our favorite, for those who love being cultured, a Turkish bath. You will also have painting from none other than Picasso. Number 6. Four Seasons Hotel, Las Vegas, $60,000 per night. Las Vegas attract big spenders from all over the world, so staying somewhere just as luxurious to match is a top priority. The Four Seasons Hotel in Las Vegas, attached to Mandalay Bay Resort and Casino, offers floor-to-ceiling windows, beautiful views. Number 5. Liukala Island Resort, Hilltop Estate, Fiji, $61,000 per night. The fifth in the running for the most expensive hotel in the world is the Liukala Island Resort, Hilltop Estate at Como in Fiji. If you have the $60,000 funds to back it up, the suite has unrevealed views of the entire city, along with an infinity tub, a spa and Rolls Royce at your doorstep. Number 4. The Mark Penthouse, The Mark Hotel, Manhattan, New York City, $75,000 per night. Have you ever dreamed of having your very own ballroom? Dream no more. The Mark Penthouse has you sorted. For $75,000 a night, you get a living room that converts into a ballroom, 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 4 fireplaces and 2 wet bars and 2 powder rooms. Need we say more? If this is not enough to get you drooling, perhaps the panoramic view of Central Park, you feel like royalty after a couple of nights here. Number 3. The Hotel President, Wilson Royal Penthouse Suite, Geneva, Switzerland, $80,000 per night. If you are a fan of panoramic views and love to be waited on, this Swiss palace is a deal stay for you. Located in the heart of all things money and class, Geneva, a mere $80,000 a night will give you access to the entire 8th floor of the hotel. It will be almost impossible to leave with views of Lake Geneva and Mont Blanc, a private elevator and the luxury of a 24/7 personal assistant, private chef and butler. Number 2. Palms Casino Resort, Empathy Suite, Las Vegas, $1 lakh per night. The Empathy Suite at the Palms in the Las Vegas comes in second place for the most expensive hotels in the world, with a hefty price tag of $1 lakh a night. Don't be fooled, this is no regular hotel suite. Decked out with massage tables, a jacuzzi, a salt room and not to be overlooked pets. Prolific artist Damien Hirst play a role in the suite design and it includes many of his finest work. So if you are an art lover, it's the perfect place to stay. Number 1. A Lover's Deep Luxury Submarine, St. Lucia, $1,75,000 per night. The Lover's Deep Luxury Submarine Hotel is the most expensive hotel in the world. You can expect nothing less from a hotel that is underwater in a real submarine. Not only a night away, but also a life-changing experience. Equipped with your own captain, private chef and butler, the St. Lucia base hotel will have you immersed in the stunning Caribbean. Literally.